Hello, I am Everest. This was kind of a project that everyone in, forget your name, Mike's class, we all kind of started this, what was originally a compliment generator. It was a committee choice to an extent, but everyone branched off and made their own thing, and in the creation of this, well, for the most part, I don't really remember what all of everything I did was, but I did figure out generally how to make certain kind of colors and text sizes and to an extent a randomized generator, though I probably need to practice a bit more on it. I started kind of late on this project, or well, in this class, so I've not really done too much work with coding, though I'm thinking it's a pretty good start. And most of what it says is generally in terms of compliment and all that, because I didn't really change it as I've branched off to my own thing. But it does generate phrases in a language I've been learning called Khuzdul, which most of the phrases I still have trouble with translating. Although I actually did, I got a good bit of work in randomly generating everything really. In the background, I was stuck between two choices, which was this and another one that was quite a lot darker, but the other background, it didn't really work with a lot of the different words on different color. It just kind of was too dark of a background for it. So I chose this background. I also ended up figuring out how to make a little secret button. Just to have kind of randomly animated thing, although I didn't quite get it to complete. I was gonna have it loop from right where it started, although it just kind of goes right back. But that's about all that I have learned so far. But yeah.
So what are your next steps for your program, Everest?
I'd say perhaps I could add something that translates the different phrases. This little hidden button, I would actually get it to loop. And I was going to add a number of other phrases, but didn't quite get around to doing that.
Are you going to keep working on it?
Probably. So long as it's still going on, this same project is still going on when I get back to this class, because from what I can tell, this is the end of it for the year, if I'm right, or are we going to be doing more of this year?
We'll discuss.
All right.
I'd be up for it.
Michael, any questions, comments as instructor?
No, I mean, Everest came in not really knowing anything about coding, and you know, he really kind of shined. He was able to learn pretty quickly how to debug his program when he would run into issues.
Yeah, it was,
yeah, so
I would notice
he did a great job.
Little things where it was missing an equals something else, and eventually got to noticing that when before I had no clue what I was really doing. I was just kind of following instructions on what to do and what it generally does. But yeah,
Very nice.
that's about it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.